größte Problem.
In the end, the biggest problem was that we had vehicles that were not limited in terms of speed.
Aufgrund der vielen
Because of the possibility of causing serious damage and harming people, we researched whether there was such a system that would automatically reduce the speed of the forklift.
The Linde Safety Guard has been developed to be installed as a retrofit on existing vehicle fleets, on existing forklifts, and offers users, i.e. the forklifts, as well as those persons responsible, the possibility to individually design the zones that are located around the vehicle or that can be implemented in the infrastructure.
The big challenge in Dusseldorf was that this system had to be installed in Zone 1. Zone 1 is explosion-proof, X-proof, which means that these electronic components had to be specially secured and intrinsically safe.
The forklifts now generally travel at 5 kilometers an hour inside the building, and their speed is regulated by this safety guard.
And in the bottleneck location, where people can step out of the elevator and come out from the stairwell, a further reduction of 2 kilometers per hour is always triggered automatically. Additionally, there are warning lights for the pedestrians, so that the forklift driver is forced to drive slowly, and the pedestrian is warned by the warning lights, and also has a higher sense of security, thanks to the speed reduction.
The Safety Guard system has made a major contribution to making our daily lives safer, because we can really adapt the speed in our very confined conditions in the building, and we have made the situation extremely safe, using a technical solution.